alternate courses for nursing aspirants. If you are looking for alternate careers for nursing, there are various healthcare related careers that you can venture into. In this video, we will discuss a few alternate career options to being a nurse, जो आपको मेडिकल फील्ड में एक सक्सेसफुल करियर बनाने में हेल्प करेगा. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First is BPT. BPT focuses on treating patients with physical diabetes, injuries or illness through exercises, massages and other techniques. Physiotherapists can work in hospitals, rehabilitation centers, sports clinic and private practice as a rehabilitation specialist, sports physiotherapist and orthopedic physiotherapist. Next is BMLT. It focuses on diagnostic testing and medical lab practices where technicians analyze bodily fluids, tissues and samples for disease detection. These medical experts find jobs in hospitals, diagnostic centers and research labs as a medical lab technician, clinical researcher, microbiologist or pathology assistant. Next in line is BSc in radiography. It focuses on imaging techniques such as X-ray, MRIs and CT scans for diagnosing health issues. After completing this course, you can find job opportunities as a radiologic technologist, MRI technician, X-ray technician and CT scan technician. अब आता है occupational therapy. Occupational therapist helps individual to recover from physical, mental or developmental disability to regain independence. ये कोर्स आपको कुछ एलर्जिंग करियर चॉइस देता है to work in hospitals or with special needs school. You can grab job roles as a pediatric therapist, occupational therapist or a rehabilitation specialist. Next is Master of Public Health. It focuses on improving public health through policies, research and health education programs. These medical experts work in sectors like NGOs or health organizations as public health consultant, health educator, researcher and health policy analyst. अगला आता है B Pharma. B Pharma prepares students for the pharmaceutical industry, focusing on preparation, dispensing and regulation of medicines. Pharmacy students get absorbed in pharmacies, hospitals, pharmaceutical companies as a pharmacist, clinical pharmacologist, drug researcher and pharmaceutical sales representative. Next is BSc in Biomedical Science. This course focuses on the study of biological and medical science and their application in diagnosing and treating diseases. These graduates find jobs on research labs, hospitals, pharmaceutical industries and biotechnology firms as a biomedical scientist, researcher, lab technician and clinical researcher. Next in line is Bachelor of Audiology and Speech Language Pathology. The course trains students to diagnose and treat speech, language and hearing disorder. अगर आपको इंटरैक्टिव मेडिकल प्रोफाइल्स में इंटरेस्ट है तो इस कोर्स के बाद यू कैन वर्क एज अ स्पीच थेरेपिस्ट, ऑडियोलॉजिस्ट, लैंग्वेज पैथोलॉजिस्ट और अ स्पीच कंसल्टेंट. नेक्स्ट इज BSc in Dietetics. It focuses on the role of diet and nutrition in health. It also helps people to manage their nutrition for better health. These experts work as a dietitian and a health coach in hospitals, clinic center, wellness center and a fitness industry. Last but not the least, MSc in Genetic Counseling. Genetic counselors helps individuals to understand the risk of genetic disorder and provide support for coping with them. They mostly find employment in hospitals, clinics, genetic testing labs and research center as a genetic counselor or a clinical researcher. So, these alternative courses provide diverse career opportunities in healthcare, biotechnology and allied medical fields with good job prospects. With the right education, these professions can lead to rewarding careers with strong job prospects and competitive salaries. So, I hope ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा हो और अगर पसंद आया हो, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.